tea's cold. Hello, my name's Andy. Welcome back. It's been far too long. I'm really sorry. I've been really busy sorting out the workshop, obviously, and I'm actually getting married at the weekend in a matter of days. So obviously my priorities have been elsewhere other than making videos. But all I can say is thank you for being very patient. I've seen a couple of guys actually made use of the first video, so that's really great. Thank you very much for that. So yeah, what's happening? It's all been a bit manic, really. I've built a new welding / layout table. For those of you that follow me on social media, you'll know that I collected a load of free wood from a building site the other day. Completely free, literally just went in and said, hey, can I, have you got a scrap wood pile? Can I have a rummage? And the guy was like, yeah, sure, crack on. So took a carload of wood and I managed to build 2 benches, which I'll show you in a minute. What else? So the forge is in, the chimney's in. I've done a firing, I've had it lit several times. So I was going to do like a first lighting video, but I've been too busy. So I'll show you that in a minute. I've just built a desk for the little office at the back there. That was completely out of scraps, and I had some legs left over from when I was a student. I had a little desk, IKEA legs, cheap. So that was all free, so that's cool. And I've just installed the big anvil as well. Like I just bolted that to the floor and everything as well. So yeah, it's been pretty exciting. So let's get the forge lit. Today I'm going to make some hooks. Probably nothing that you haven't really seen before, or haven't done yourself, but I just so happen to need some, and I'd really like to get a video out. So let's just crack on. Cool. Safety first, guys. Eyes, ears, always. Okay, so all we're going to do is point the tip, and we're going to curl the end like that, and then we're going to bend it back round on itself with the curve facing out the way to create the hook, and then we'll flatten that end, drill 2 holes for screws. Point the tip. So working on the furrows of the anvil. Now we're going to elongate the point. Right, so next heat we'll knock these corners off and create an octagon sort of profile ish, and then we'll go back in, make it round, and then we'll start doing a little curl on the end.
Notice there that I was just kind of brushing the very tip very, very gently with the flat of the hammer and lifting the back end as I go, just to kind of scroll it round. And we get a nice little curl like that. Now what we'll do, we'll take another heat, bend it away from the curl, and then we'll cut it off and flatten the other end. Notice that I've cooled the very tip of the hook so I don't damage it. Again, a little brushing motion to kind of tighten it up. You'll probably find that the hook will want to twist just to the angle of the horn and stuff. So all you have to do is just go and flatten it off again. Nothing, no big deal. We'll carry on that curve just a little bit more with another heat. Check that you're nice and straight. Fine. Now what we'll do is cut it off about here, flatten that tip, and then we'll drill the holes, and it's done. Stay aside the angle. Okay, so there we go. One nice, very simple, easy little hook. There's nothing particularly special about it, it's just functional. I'm going to just drill 2 holes in it and then I'll screw it on where it needs to go. Nice and easy. So, I hope you can hear me over the downpours going outside. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you don't follow me on social media, you should.